It's like my birthday. It's like a vacay. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. I want it all day. I want it all day. It's like a movie. It's running through me. Hey, hey, hey. Press play. Press play. Lights, camera, action. Just give me that feeling. Give me that, give me that. Just give me that. Just give me that feeling. Give me that, give me that. Just give me that. Takes me higher than I've been before. Keep me coming back for more. That feeling. That feeling. That feeling. That feeling. Just give me that feeling. That feeling. Give me that feeling.
You can face it. You can pass being wasted. You can every time I'm running it. You can face it. You can pass
Speedboat na yan.
face it. You can be free. Free.
It's okay. You cannot go there.
Bawal daw.
It's for the guests only, oh. Daddy, so excited, oh. Baka kami, Daddy.
Papakalasing na tayo. Alak pa more.
Alak pa more. Bote lang
Alak pa more. Ha? Hmm. Oo. Mamaya na tayo mag-picture doon.
Kuya, little way.
Kuya,
Ali, look that way.
may sinabi kanina.
Ay, hindi ko na. Doon na lang tayo. Tapos, nagpunta pa tayo kayo ba nagpunta kayo nun sa basement o hindi? Nagpunta din?
Kaya yung cost of piso lang. Bakit kailangan kung ano?
Magkano yung magkano nilalagay?
Nagbigay ng service.
Malaki.
Ha?
Malaki yung
Walang ano eh. Kaya piso.
ako magkano? What's for that one? Dalawang wine, pwede sa white or isang ganyan. Ubusin yan, may bayad. It's 45. Good guys? Come on, let's go.
4 yun.
So,
Para kung magpapamukha.
Pero how much? How much? And this point, let's go. Just go.
Wow.
Peanut, 280.
Pero ang ganda ng view nandito.
No weekend, guys. Come on, let's just go to the restaurant.
Is this so that?
View. Kasi libre.
25-minute waiting time.
May doon kasi hindi.
Maganda ba yun?
Oo, hindi kayo pumasok? Hindi. Ano?
There you go, 75. That's not bad.
No, thank you.
You bottle of mana? Is that big?
What?
It's like wild onions.
Okay.
Mark?
What are you taking? Are you taking your own video?
Yeah.
Do it. Go back. You go back there. Do it. Come on.
Do it. Do your own vlog.
Do your own thing. Come on. We'll wait for you.
It's nice.
Dali, picture tayo dyan. Tayong family. Come on, dali. Come on.
Ah, Kuya Jason.
Already.
Huwag mo isama yung sign, ha?
Wait. Two, one.
Hindi ata okay.
Isa pa. One more. Malapit naman. Wait. Ano na wag isama sign?
Ito yung sign na forward.
hindi niya na
okay.
makikita eh.
Kaya sa inyo before of the picture because it was just me and Daddy. Me.
Back in the car we go. We're almost at the hotel.
Mauna na kayo. Diretso na. Okay, pag-wali. Okay.
Sino? Sino yung isa? Jake. Oh, sinabi.
Smarty. Yan po.
May dala ka bang namin?
Wala. Bakit?
Baka alam mo, may makita tayong dito sa highway.
Magkaan na naman.
What's kape?
Ayan.
Kaya bakit dito sa hotel?
Ay, huwag kayo maingay ah. Sa inyo.
Scam.
Sa inyo, tatay na eh.
Scam. Ano
Ano yan, no?
Basta mo yung forward.
Oo, ayoko nga. Ano? Dito, ba't nagdala pa ng
Mas
cellphone?
okay. Alam mo kung bakit? Mas okay yung jacket kaysa sa short to. Kasi ikaw, pwede, hindi mo tatanggal. Pag nagawla ko dito. Pwede din.
Kuya Jay, hindi ka na naman nag-break. Diyos ko!
Ako yung dress.
Ano pa kayo Diyos ko!
Awa ka matadali. Ako magtatanggal ng tayo.
Ayun no, ano ba yan ate yung in-1? B-in-1, in-4. Ano yung B-in-4?
Saan?
Ayun no, yung nasa kanto, ano ba yan? Lounge. Ah, inuman.
Bar.
Ano mo? Sampayan mo, oh. Eh! Tingnan nga natin. Saan? Tutuloy yung dahon nito.
Bakit?
Kahit dalawang palapang ko.
Gawin recreational.
Eh, dalawang palapang. Eh, wala pa kaya ka.
Oh, diba? Bakit babayad ka?
Sayang eh, dalawang palapagin mo, dalawang room yun, i-doble yan. Kung aayusin mo, di maraming pupunta dito. Tatay, Moch. Ang katiyan na, Mochi. Sa umaga talaga eh.
Dahil po yun eh. Maple, laki niya. No? Tanda na niya.
Tanda na yan.
Oo, matanda na yan kapag yun.
Ikaw, Mochi, matanda ka na, Moch.
Konti lang ito. Kung basta lang nila.
Ha?
Nga din.
Iyayaya ako.
Yaya, pinilit mo naman sarili mo.
Ano?
Pilit mo ng sarili mo. Natupilit.
Hindi ganun pala. Ano yun? Sige na, kuya. Ano kasi mo naman? Sa kanya. Sa labas namin, sa labas. Ako pa.
Huwag na kang pangila.
Okay na ito kasi. Sarado mo naman.
Lagay ko sa ito.
Sasarapin ko.
Diba, hindi niya marami. Hindi mo siya, hindi ako makakuha sa
Talaga.
Nga naman si Bayaw, masarap na pamilya si Bayaw. Bayaw, masarap na pamilya eh.
Para siguro kung yung lumang ulo.
Ako kung naman. Iwan pa. Dito mo dito. Dito ko.
Oo. Baka ano lang. Pero may ilang araw pa tayo. Basta paalala mo wala kang hapon.
Oo. Kasya kaya yung bag ko dyan. Itong na nakinala ko yung bag.
Ikaw to, no? Kaya dyan yung mukha.
Kasya daw.
Yung lapag na sunod na hindi niya.
Ano?
Nakasan ko yung
Hindi ako nandito.
no, ko? Nakasan ko yung ano yung because she has bad breath.
Yeah. What's now?
Ito na lang ang perfect natin lahat. Do that to her.
What is it?
Hindi ka brown, diba?
Ano yung iniinom sa akin?
Ito, pwede ka.
Kasama ko. Paagin.
Bakit ba ito dito? Siyempre, initin. Takot siya na over. Ah, bakit? Oo, sige. Iba yung ribok. Ayan, iba ko lang yan. Saglit lang.
Sa extension ako.
Hindi.
Oo.
Yan. Yung pang takip, nilagyan mo rin ng mainit na tubig. Ha? Yung... what?
Ano mo she's white?
Number 3 natin.
She just wants to die.
Oh, mas makakatakot ka dahil hindi naman sa atin.
Mush. Not watching this, babe.
Yung ibang na nasuwaki.
Baby! Not watching that. Not watching it. Baby, you're not watching it. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't watch it.
Wala yung pet ko eh.
It's fine. Okay lang yun. Stop na lang ako yung
Pinudot din kayo.
noodles. Marami noodles ka. Inita din.
Yeah. Mochi!
Quiet time pa kayo.
Ay, ano to? Yan. Ano to? What is this yellow thing?
Not me.
Bakit?
Not me. May kamera ka bang yellow? Ay, the egg yolk, baby. That's the egg yolk.
Nakaiba yan.
That's the egg yolk, baby. What happened, baby? What happened, Bella?
Why you crying again?
Ano to be?
Hindi, basang ko lang. Pumulo na din ako. Ay,
It's just like a pencil. Or this is just like a brush mark. Like it's a little patch. It's a little regular. No, it's actually like a flash brush. It's actually.
Here, wait.
Ah! Oh.
Lipat ka dito. Halap ka. Slow down, right? Yan eh. Ayan ba yung BG? Is that my BG girl? Is she my BG girl? She is your BG girl. Chevy, Chevy, Chevy.
Chevy, Chevy, G.
Chevy, Chevy, G. Chevy, Chevy, G. Oh, ginamit mo lang ako talaga eh. Alam na. Ang galing mo. Secret. Whisper or whatever. But, it's hot time. Blow on this.
Give me eat first. And then later you have to do
Hmm? Hindi nga, pakalain niya. Oh.
Give me a bite of it.
Bakit ang niyang ko? Nilalagay ko yan? Hindi kanina sa akin din eh. Bakit nilalamig?
Ano mo yung katsak to, no?
Malamig ka. Sa aircon sa ka. Hindi naman sa akin. Hindi lang.
Kasi parang makatulog ka lang ng ayos.
Yung tulog yan.
Hindi ka naman mag-ano ng
Stay.
saka lalabas naman pa. Hindi naman mag-stay dito sa bahay.
Siyempre siya. Baka mamura ako. Ay, mamura. May parang yun, no? Ang good, oh. Nakita ko.
A few moments later.
Wait, Baya. Let's go shower, Baya.
Dadala kang extra.
Oh, Baya, I'm waiting.
Ha?
Let's go, banding time, Baya.
Where's my
Ilalim mo.
Ilang brief dadali ko. Baka kasi magbasa ka, di ba? Ay, pero isa lang. Sakto lang dalawang brief eh. Huwag na.
Ah, sige.
Sa Costco.
Hindi ah.
Ay, nako. Wait, did you get your hat? Oh, shoot.
The what?
Okay. 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 Ito na hard mag-
Ha?
Yung mukha ni Nate.
Hindi, Tara, kuhanin natin.
Alin? No, it's good. I have it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Ayo, did you bring your hat? Ate, yung Madeline.
Yung sa akin, nasa...
I have it here.
Nandito yung sa akin.
Mainit, ha? Ikaw, Kuya Jay, yung puti. Nandito.
Pwede ba dito kumana, kaliwa?
Ayan, maglilinis sila.
Pwede ba dito magkaliwa?
I don't know. You can even jump the curb. This is high. No? You know that?
Thank you. Morning. Bonjour, Parks Canada.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Ready na yung higaan namin, ha? Kasi mamaya pag kami napagod, matutulog na kami diretso eh.
Okay. Wow! Oy! Baby, what happened?
Alright, no.
Ano yan? Baby! Lasing! Lasing! Lasing? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Nakatulog ba to?
It is under control.
Masaya ko pa lang sa'yo eh. Nanganib na ang buhay ko eh. Jose, kasi.
Very nice ko lang yun. Kasi nalaglag to, nung kinuha ko, di gumaling yung manibela.
Focus! We need focus!
Last mo yung guardian angel ko sa likod.
Paano masabi kayo na everything is
Music
okay?
Sunday, Ferry Park, 5 to 8 is Sports Reminder.
Yeah.
Yan na yun?
Yeah. No, it's just, marunong pa sa Google.
Store, cannabis store.
Fish, fish, fish. Hey, mama.
Buck 44.
120 something and goes.
Ay, bili pala tayo ng ano no, hand sanitizer tsaka tissue.
Meron sanitizer ako.
Ah, meron ka?
Oo, gusto mo pa?
Tingin ako.
Ayun no, meron na naman to no. Ayun no, hot air balloon.
Baka inaano yan, nire-renta yun. Oo.
Stuck in my head. I was so
Baka Costco lang, walang gas.
Ha?
There's no gas here?
There's no gas? No, because I checked gas hours. Maybe in the back. Maybe in the back. Maybe this is the front. This is the
Don't be
front.
pata.
Oo, no.
Na-9 pa lang.
It's still closed. It's open at 9.
Ito lang bang nag-iisang Costco?
I think so.
Hummer, this is what I want, Neem.
That's what I want.
That's number one.
I want that.
Oh,
Number one.
It's fine.
Ibo na ako. Tignan mo. Ang dati ko, iwan ako. Ano ba yan? Iwan ako. Kinabahan na naman.
O, saan tayo muna pupunta? Magko-Costco ba kayo?
Oh, pwede.
Sa loob?
Kasi wala na tayong water.
Di mo binalik sa akin nung nag-check-in kayo sa hotel.
Ah, yung card?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Hindi, nag-aantay na. Baka mawala tayo ng ano dito.
Ang daming space. When Mochi is this, please, no, not everybody be allowed to. I just need one at a time. If you have to leave, just one at a time. So Mochi, if James is starting, you stop. And then when Mochi is starting, James, you stop. Okay, not everybody.
May kinukuha siya dyan,
Overwhelming.
te, sa ilalim mo. Ewan ko kung ano kanina.
Ano nakakuha kaya? Baby, nadala mo yung bacon niya?
Oo.
Okay.
Sa likod.
Okay. Oh, go to Bread Co. That was a good place.
Andan?
Do you wanna go?
That's downtown. I mean, I just ate, but
Yeah, me too.
did you not eat, James?
No.
Oh, go eat.
No,
There's Olivia, please enough with your bear paw. You do that later when there's no choice.
So, are we just... So, where are we? Oh, baby!
Wala ka, nandiyan yun eh.
Ano ba yun?
Yung bacon niya, binigay ko dyan.
Ang dami mo kasi hinahanap din na.
Hindi, sinabi ko sa kanya.
Pag wala dyan, baka no.
Lagot. Ano kung may snot?
music, eh?
Hindi. Alam ko may... Baka kasi mahulog.
Hindi po pulutik mo na ko.
Okay. Okay. Hindi, akala ko ba si James mag-ano yan?
No, he will get poutine.
Oh, I got
When he's
poutine and a slice
Okay.
of pizza.
Yeah.
And me and my
He'll
knee
eat
will
that.
eat it.
We need to eat something with veggies.
Try, Mochi.
Veggies,
Can you
fiber.
go down, Mochi?
Magkano dito ang gas?
Down.
One,
Aray.
130 something.
Ang mahal?
Hindi ko alam. This is so cute, oh.
Ilan ba upuan?
Wow. Wow.
What is that?
Car. Ang matatanda, hilig dyan.
This is a nice car. I wanna buy this car.
Tita Len, I think will buy this, Olivia,
For the family.
for the family trip.
What's that burn some?
Ano to?
Pamalit. Ito yung mga electric fan, light fan, hats, shades.
There's actually a volcano here, right? 62? Oh, 62 bucks. Not bad. 62, 62.
Something ko eh.
Alin?
62 ano?
62 only?
62 what? 89.
Oh, that's not
63.
63 no, because of the
63.
because of the tax.
Yung tax naman eh. Di ba yung isinusulat din dyan? Exact.
Second gas.
That's not too bad. 63.
83.
God.
Better. Okay.
Ano to? Eunice? Ano to?
Grades.
Hi, we're at Costco.
We work here. The name tag is Bing Bing. Bing Bing work here. I know. Big, I like it.
I'll buy this. We'll buy this on Tuesday.
Oh, we're not yet done. No, for this is still for cat.
Oh, wait. One more.
No, you're good.
There.
Okay. Good, guys.
Uy, ba't naman pa rin?
Oh, yeah, what about Mochi?
We can't, right? Let's just leave her for here, baby. If you want to.
Leave right here for a bit.
Dalawa yan eh. I know he wants. Wait. Here.
I'm sick of jumping over.
Okay, go.
It's all good. Let's go on Olivia's side. Third Eunice, go.
Ano ba saan?
No, I don't know. Just leave this.
It's good. Still. Oh.
Yung card.
Nasa bag nga. Oh, we don't need this? Okay. No need that then. Thank you. Morning. Thank you. Enjoy.
Baby, maganda rin to sa'yo.
Ayoko ng ganyan kasi pag umulan,
Oo nga, no. Ano gusto mo? Ganito
babaho
rin?
yan. Okay lang yung ganyan lang. Pwede na yun. Ano ba? Ano tayo?
Ito, mainit to.
Ay, try ko lang, oh.
Mainit yun.
Gusto mo?
Mainit sa bulsa.
Mo?
Ayoko nga. Mainit nga sa bulsa yan.
Ito, Kuya Jay, okay.
Pero may oh.
Ha? Ayoko niyan. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganyan.
Hindi, mabig na may hindi na kami sa anak.
Pag nag-go tayo, baby, magkaganito to.
Ha?
Swing.
Bagay mo!
Oh, ito oh.
Okay, bagay mo to. Bagay mo to, oh. Oh, wow. Oh, mukha siya social, no?
One goal.
Ay, ha? Mukha siya social, no?
One goal for, di ba?
Ah,
Pitik-pitik lang yan.
social, no? Oh? Oh? Baby, gusto mo ba mag-go? Mag-start na kayo mag-go. Then, social ka to, no?
Magkano to? Mahal eh.
Ha?
Walang black. Maganda ba ang black?
Hindi bagay sa'yo black. Yung white lang.
Gusto mo bumili ako? Gusto mo bumili ako?
Ha?
Gusto mo bumili ako?
Para sa...
Ay, ito
Pero
na body
bagay
pad.
sa'yo.
Hindi pa ito sa'yo.
Ano eh? Bagay din sa'yo yan. Mukha ko kasing ano, baby. Ano kayo sa Shopee?
Kasi yung dalawa, mag-ama. Kasi yung dalawa.
So, nakain. Parang doon eh, terno.
Yeah.
Terno ba? Hindi. Mas
maganda yung isa.
Mas warm pa yun. Yung kabila.
Bakit ba ang dami kong binibili? Ako, nagagaya lang ako sa'yo.
Papera ka eh.
Hindi ko binabalik. Ay, sorry.
May kamali.
100. Nasa 90. Bibili tayo ng yung bag na ano kasi bulky yan eh. Bibili tayo ng bag na mga damit natin na dadalahin natin sa Japan. Yung ano ba? Yung sa tatanggalan ng hangin.
Ay, hindi pa iba-vacuum?
Oo.
Bibili ka pa ng bago ng gano'n?
Oo, may nakita ko sa ano. At saka kasi pagka mamimili din tayo.
Kasi ano tayo ng vacuum sealed bag. Tapos ano na, kaya pumili ka pa ng bag na vacuum sealed. May sealed, yung pang sealed naman tayo na bibili tayo.
So, see, basta ko nabibili. You go check.
Taray ka tayo dito.
Vlog po kayo, kuya?
Pa?
Vlog?
Vlog lang sa ano kay araw-araw. J-Lens Adventure.
J-Lens? Paano spell?
J-A-E tapos L-E-N.
Oo, okay.
Sige ate, salamat. Ingat kayo. Bakit naman? Promote natin yan. Shout out nga eh. Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. Ito yung bagong hiccup. Oh, ito pala yung bago niya. What's that? Oh, you wanna sit here? Why?
Oh, yo. Stop.
Let's go na, guys.
I'll buy him.
Magana.
Oh, on the blanket. Huh?
What's it? Is there snacks? Is there something like... Baby, yung sauna.
That's fine. Leave it there.
Yeah, I'll leave it there.
Sauna.
You can try if you like. Try. Sa campsite. Sa campsite daloy sa sa ating hotel. Ha? Beba, pabili mo ng gulay to si Micah para hindi pa to nakakakain ng gulay daw.
Again. Oh, yung clementines. Should we buy clementines?
Sige, kuha ka na isa. Yung matamis.
Oh,
Bumpy. Kuha ka. Kuha ka, bayaran mo. What, bro? Bro.
Hey.
What did you get in the
Kissing na.
food place? What did you get there? Pizza and what? Poutine? Did you get poutine there? There's poutine?
Yeah, there is.
You finish it? Daddy finish it? Okay.
The poutine.
Okay.
Yeah, I ate some bites.
It's army.
Can I smell your kilikili?
No.
Walang patikim ngayon.
Gusto mo banana?
Straight away, no.
May Okay. May makain lang tayo na kain pang concert.
At tiramisu, hindi po. Tiramisu.
You guys are good now? So 24 minutes to go.
Akala ko bibili na ng hot chocolate eh. Bagay sa kanya.
Hindi, joke lang yun.
Kailangan mo ba yun? Gusto mo ba yun?
$14
No?
lang.
Tama, okay.
Pang golf lang yan eh. Tapos parang...
Tapos mangingit kami may panot na.
Oo. So, initan yung ulo niya.
Eh bakit?
Meron naman siyang sunglasses.
Ganda ng kotse o vintage
Akala ko kayo nagsabi social.
Bagay lang. Social lang. Kasi nga, puti siya pag... Alam mo yung
Siya lang ang tsura.
Oo. Kaya sa akin,
Nandiyan si Moji.
Like,
Si Moji.
85 na eh.
yung iyo.
Okay. Pero yung tax. po yun. Lagi kami nagagatin. Hindi kahit maliit lang nagagatin kami, pareho kami. Gutter boy at girl, di ba baby?
Okay.
Madami.
Talaga.
Sonia boy.
Pero gusto mo, ikaw naman, gusto mo mag-wineries? Hindi.
Hindi, sila Jaya. Gusto ko mag-ina.
Okay.
Pero hindi naman totally yung gusto ko gusto niya. Narinig ko lang.
Hindi kasi gusto nyo, tapos ita-drop off natin or whatever, di ba? Ba, ikaw, gusto nyo ng late, ita-drop off namin kayo doon. Tapos si Eunice, gusto niya, samahan namin siya. Di ba? Ganon.
Kahit ano lang gusto niya.
Kung ano lang gusto nyo, kami. O, ita-drop off kami.
Oo.
Eh, ewan ko sila Chi. Mga kami. Parang gusto ko sa hindi ka na eh.
Oo, kung gusto mo, samahan ka, ita-drop off ka. Kasi, kawali mo ako kami si Mochi. Hindi pwede doon. Ha? Sama mo nga pagka nag-Candor Farm kayo.
Andun lang yun, yung mag-alala.
Punta ka ba nag-Candor Farm?
Ay. Pwede naman bukas. Kailangan ba ngayon lahat? Hindi. Ayaw ko nga eh.
Punta kayo kung gusto nyo.
Kasi kami, hindi talaga kami pwede gawa ni Mochi.
Yeah.
So, pwede namin kayo i-drop off doon or mag-aantay. Kahit mag-aantay kami sa sasakyan, we don't mind.
Yeah.
Hindi ang bata. Ano gusto mo? Ay, isasama si Olivia. Anong gagawin ko?
Alright, you guys are here right now,
Okay.
and back the orchard down the hill. There's grapes at the very bottom.
Grapes, okay.
And you guys don't want to walk all that way, or you guys look fine enough down there. Right underneath here, there's some grapes,
Okay.
and there's some green ones behind the fence over there.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys want those ones, you have to just let me know first, so I'll show you how to close and open the gate.
Oh, on the side, eh?
Yeah, there's chickens and they
Yeah.
escape. So,
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Cool.
you guys have any other questions? Or you guys okay?
Thank you so much. Okay,
Yeah.
bye. Okay. There you go. Very good now. All right.
Get
I'm telling you guys.
Oh, it's very expensive.
this one. Do, 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 do.
Just for experience,
So,
you know?
we are gonna do picking. We are gonna do picking.
Can I take a picture of you just by the tree?
Sure, wait.
tree
We are gonna do picking.
Paano sabi sa inyo?
Yeah, that's someone's house. That's where we go.
Saan daw?
We are
Michael,
going to
Saan daw? Hindi kayo nagpunta
pick
dun eh.
stuff.
Sabi daw,
And also, we're gonna like find some animals, like roosters, chickens. Yeah.
oh, you can have some apple. No, not this. Go down. Yeah.
We're gonna
And
go
there's plums.
down.
That's why I keep on calling you guys because I don't know.
Oh, we're picking. Nah, Bing Bing here. None here. No.
And we're gonna pick stuff, like maybe some pears and apples and stuff. And yeah, and we're gonna see Jaya and G soon. I don't know when. Are they coming?
What are you doing? Parang nagmukha ka pa. Are you vlogging?
This is Tita Lag.
And I am what?
None.
Do you love Tita? Sure.
None.
Sure. That's why I said go. I think I hear her. Jaya? Jaya?
Talk some more, talk some more.
That's them!
Jaya! I know that we're... They're over there! No, guys, I already know where they are. They're up there.
Diane?
They're up there.
Marco? Diane! Sabi ko narinig ko yun eh.
Nandun yung apple.
Ah, kumakain apple. Masarap.
Oo.
Tinikman niyo.
May, may gala. May
Oh! Try it, Nin. Try it. Go there, go there.
There.
Saan?
Ooh!
Ooh! Paano malaman pag hinog, kuya?
Tikman mo. Malambot, Maika.
Kinain mo?
Malambot.
Kinain mo?
Oo, masarap. Eh, ano mo muna? Linisin mo muna.
Wala pa masyado. Ito na konti lang eh.
Okay yan na, matika naman. Tumin lang. Ito daw yung mga red. Okay. 40, big one. Ito yung green apple.
Paano mo malaman ang hinog?
Kagatin mo.
Kahit ano na lang.
Hindi, pero sabi niya kasi ready for picking daw yan. Ay, dito, mas maganda. Ito malalaki.
Olivia ka. Mapula ka to, oh. Hindi ba yung maganda? Ah, take a picture.
I don't want plum.
Ha?
Yan like one. Throw it. Just throw it. Ay, dad. Ate, balik mo na to.
Abot ba yun? Ito din, ate. Please.
Hindi, dalawa nga lang yung ako. Oh,
Ew.
plastic one ko. Eh, baka pag lagyan ko.
You want to pick a boat?
Take that chicken. Just fry it.
One day, he was a scary man.
Di!
Where are they?
Di!
They're probably back by their car.
Look at that. Have a nice place there.
Mom, I don't want to eat this apple.
Why? Give it to Daddy.
Bird.
Here. What? We're going down here by the pond. Move them all.
Oh. What's that? Is that swan?
No. It's right down here.
Hey, would they run after you?
I'll kick on his face.
Wait, they'll kick you?
No, me.
Oh.
Stay away. You know, it's nice down here. Look at that. Nice little pond.
Will hurt you.
Oh, that's nice. Hey, little Bobby, look at these little guys. Oh, look at them. What's poop?
Where are those? Oh. Lots of people.
Hmm?
But just stay away from those white birds.
Stay away.
Oh, they're so cute. Those are so cute.
Little baby. Right there.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
Inis, picture mo kami. Saan?
Like ganito, oh.
Okay, Martin. Dito kami sa may ano, para yung may lilipan kita. Yung kami ako din.
There's other birds.
Ay, ano yung beach yun?
Oh, Daddy,
Nice.
Daddy, there's other birds. There's other birds coming.
Ready?
Just chilling.
Hindi niya tayo dito.
Duckies. Look at the duckies.
He's still eating your apple.
Where's my apple? Yeah, I don't. I bet you. I'm so close. Oh, look at that nice one. Hey, the bug bugs. This size of them ones, eh?
James, your hand.
What? You need to lean on that, huh?
Ikaw? Kung solo ka rin.
Let's go to Giant G. Oh, there's Ducky. Ducky! Ducky!
Oh, ain't it cool?
Takpan mo yung ano yung cake. Yeah, no, bro. Fine.
Can you hold on?
Yeah, can you hold on to her camera? Akin, ano, put him bag. Put him bag.
Daddy! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Take.
Is it still working?
Yeah. Just.
A few moments later.
Siniguela.
Para siniguelas.
Siniguelas.
Oo, siniguelas.
Parang siniguelas.
Oo.
Parang siniguelas.
Kinain mo yung buto?
Ay, tama na.
Hindi.
Doon sa kabila.
Bigyan kaya natin sa plum. Tingnan mo.
Bawal kasi sa kanya yun eh.
I'll go cook it.
Poison. Yeah. Nag-google ko na yan before.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Bacon lang sa kanina.
Wara ito ah.
Asan kaya?
Yes, dog can eat plums.
Wala ka. Yan oh.
Grapes nila.
Meron na ako kinuha. Uy,
Kuwari lang yan. Kuwari. Ito. Oh, plum to anak. Nak. Oh, plum. Plum bacon.
Plum.
Kuwari lang.
ayaw ko nito.
Ba't kasi kumuha ka niyan? Bigyan mo kayo ni San.
Bakit dalawang basket kinuha niya?
Bibigyan nga dapat 3. Sabi ko 2 lang.
Kulang kami.
Ano yan anak mo? Ah, may shower. May shower.
Kapag sana tayo mabuti kasi upo ng ganito.
Hanggang sa kabila. Ba't hawak mo yung 2? Binigyan mo sana sa kanila.
Eh, ayaw na nila.
May kabayo dito. Oh. Saan mo dadalhin yan? Tumatalsik yung tubig. May kabayo dito. Oh. Mochi, no. No barking. No bark. Mochi. Akin na yung basket na isa, baby. Hawakan ko na yung dalawa. Akin na. Akin na. Hindi, hawakan ko na. Para kung wari, nag-cherry picking din ako. Madulas, no? Maputik pa. Dito parang amoy baboy. Ano pangalan na itong anong to? Rose Hill? Madulas. Madulas. Nanda, maputik. Alam mo maputik. Oo, ang gagawin, maghugas ka. Maghugas ka. Maghugas ka. Doon. O yan. Ngayon mo lang dito. Grapes yan. Ito ang grapes. Lock daw dyan, no? Oh, green grapes.
Grapes of hope.
Green grapes. Matamis.
Matamis?
Matamis siya. Masi-CCTV ka.
Error. Ang dami na. Error. Ang dami na nakain. Hindi alam yung chat-chat.
Ano, hindi ka nabibili?
Error. Kuya, kaya... Ang dami, oh. Kuya mo.
Oo.
Kuya mo.
Dami. Ito yan, oh. Yan, papasok ulit sila doon sa Frank's Orchard. Ito, Rose Hill Orchard. Magkaiba pala talaga sila. Oh, pwede na. Pwede na. No? Oo, meron.
Matamis?
Oo, matamis. Oo. Sarap nga eh. Gusto mo ba? Pero mura siya, hindi katulad doon sa cherry, no? Umabot ng 80. Ay, wag na uwi. Ano din? Diyan ka matutulog. Pag camping, diyan na lang sa ano, hindi ka na magte-tent. Ayun sila, naman na nak.
Right here.
Ay, stay here. Nakapag-poop na sila? Nakapag-poop na?
Oo. Itong isa, hindi pa eh.
Magkano kuya?
Kuya?
Oh,
Bumili ka ng jam? Sa'yo.
ano yan sa'yo?
Ano yan? Bumili siyang jam.
Bumili ako ng mustard, honey.
Oh, wow.
Oh, mustard? Patingin, kuya.
Homemade nila yan na kuya.
Anong mustard? Yan ang mustard?
Oo.
Mustard seed.
Oo.
Yeah.
Snake bite. Wow.
And the honey is 25 lang.
Oh, mura.
Siya kuya?
25.
25 yung honey.
Oh, pure yan.
Pure yan, oo. Yun yung honey nila, yun yung bubuyog doon sa kanila. Yun yun. Doon galing yan, for sure. Mura na, no?
Kasi yung sa ano na pasteurized eh. Oo.
Mahal yun.
Maliit sila kuya.
Stay here.
Wala. Sabi mo, mamalit kayo, sabi wala.
Sa Enchanted Forest.
That's good.
Alaala.
My enchanted.
I'm not for this type of...
Naputik naputikan siya eh. Nadulas na siya daw, muntik na madulas. Natakot siya. Umalis na.
Marami ako nakain na prutas.
Nakamagkano ka kuya?
Kwenta.
Nakamagkano ka po?
Marami ka na bili.
Bakit?
Yeah, nandun yung farm yung bee farm. Nandun yung bee Nandun yung bee.
Kasi yung bee farm, honey lang din ng mga tinda. Maraming iba-ibang klase ng honey.
Sabon.
Merong lavender honey.
Punta tayo.
O sige, gusto daw ni Papsi.
Silipin lang natin. Meron pa minention si Jai na isang pang farm ba?
Anong farm?
Sabi niya parang may vareta. Basta!
That's good. Dito sa baba o dito sa gilid?
Pang farm? Ibang farm? Ano yun?
50 lahat yan, kuya? Pwede na, no?
Arlos Honey Farm. Okay, yeah. 36 minutes from here.
Maika, hindi pa na ibalik yon, Maika. Hindi pa na ibalik. Pinuha. Hindi, para alam nila.
Hindi pa kami nagpapagas. Dito, dito rin.
May Costco. Yeah. How much is it all?
Kuya, ang sarap yung drive
Ha?
dito. Bibili na nga kami.
That's good.
Smooth na smooth daw. Here early para breakfast is fruit, no?
No.
It's okay. It's still good.
Yeah, because they want Jai and James wants honey.
The honey there,
Honey.
there's different flavor.
Yeah. Lens.
I'm sitting with here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
May also ice cream.
Puro lang ano.
Oo, puro peke.
your Merlot.
Quiet.
Try yours.
Ay, nakakarap.
Come on here. Kasi yung GoPro mo. Olivia, where's your GoPro?
What's the GoPro, Olivia? Yung GoPro ni Olivia. May kayong GoPro?
Ni Olivia.
What? GoPro?
No way.
Olivia?
Where did you put it?
Where did you put it?
Bigyan ng camera eh.
Where did you put it?
Where should we give it to mom?
Olivia, no, I give it back to you.
Check it in your bag.
Wala.
Baka nandun sa...
See? Ikaw nung tanda mo na eh.
Di ba nakapatay?
Binigay sa'yo.
Oh, it's on. Ayun na, washroom
Minutes. Iihi ako?
$2 per use. May bayad,
Meron?
Come here, mama. Come here, mama. Come on, mama. Come here. Come on.
What's this though?
I need to eat. Eat. I need coffee.
Tama pati sa video.
Pati ang CR.
Ayun Cinematic. Pa-vlog ko kayo dyan.
And you were holding the butterfly.
I was able to get it.
Yes. Ini siri. Are you hungry? Kita may hawak ka. Kasi yung mga nagpa-vlog na.
Hindi kita yung kamay mo.
Hindi. Ganap. Oh, ano na asa ko ano siya.
Basta 360 yan, kuha siya.
Okay.
Oh my. Yung pinagkayahan natin dito, kuya.
Ha?
Yan yung ninanahan natin na sabi mo instant racing.
Kahit saan yan.
Attach mo siya sa kuan dai. How do you get the ano?
Paano ka makikita niyan kung ikaw nagaganyan?
Wala, automatic yan.
Ano ba to?
Yung remote mo. No. Quiet. It's nice.
A few moments later.
35 minutes to drive pala.
Yeah. That's why.
Okay. So, pakabila pala yun.
Oo.
Kaya paano maggagas ba sila? Naka-on ba yung radyo nila?
Maganda talaga ng picture kung maaraw. Maganda.
Check, check, check. Everyone have a radio on or no? Check, check.
May sound ba yan? Parang tumating. Ay. Rocker.
Nakaradyo ba lahat?
Napapatay na yung battery. Sa ating konti na lang. 1 bar.
O sige, magpapalit na lang tayo ng battery pagka park nyo. Magpapagas ba muna tayo kayo?
Yes. If may makikita lang yan.
Oo, pero diretso lang kayo kung yung sunod na lang kami. Kung mayroon kaming madaanan, magpagas kami.
O sige, pagka nakakita ako ng unang gas station, doon tayo magpagas na kayo ha, para hindi kayo mahirapan.
Thank you so much for your concern.
Oh, you're very welcome. Have a good day.
Sabihin mo kasi, full pa tayo. Paano to pito din?
Ayan, gila. Ayan.
G, kasi full pack pa kami. Hindi naman sa nagmamayabang. Sana all.
Like, I wish I'd lived like here, man. Right here. Yeah, until they get boys by it.
Kaya nga eh. Pilas niya na ako nito.
Dominoes.
I'm a good time, always do the stupid thing. You're the sunshine, love with all the hippie things. We could dance on the moon with our mood rings, moon with our mood rings, moon with our mood rings. You're the gin, I'm the juice, like we're best friends. We don't have to pretend when the party ends. Anytime that you call, I come run again, call, I come run again, call, I come run again. You know we gotta get away, way. This place is driving us insane. Say hello, take a break, just let it go. Clear your mind, feel the glow of your halo. Say hello to the day, so come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Vamonos. Say hello, we got time, we can find our flow. Break the rules, I won't let you go solo. Say hello to your life, so come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Vamonos. Let's go.
Dominoes.
Let's go. We gonna let it go, say we gonna let it go, we gonna let it go now, yeah. We gonna get it now, live in the moment, yeah, we gonna let it go now, yeah. We gonna let it go, say we gonna let it go, we gonna let it go now, yeah. We gonna get it now, live in the moment, yeah, we gonna let it go, yeah. Say hello, take a break, just let it go. Clear your mind, feel the glow of your halo. Say hello to the day, so come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Dominoes.
Say hello, we got time, we can find our flow. Break the rules, I won't let you go solo. Say hello to your life, so come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Vamonos. Let's go.
Dominoes.
Let's go. We gonna let it go, say we gonna let it go, we gonna let it go now. Yeah, we gonna get it now, live in the moment, yeah, we gonna let it go now. Vamonos.
See, I like that. That's the one I like. Like that will be your wall.
Yeah.
on your wall.
I love it.
No more.
See?
I
There's no. Yeah.
love it.
No more fence.
Natural.
No more fence.
privacy.
Just the tree.
Yeah. I like that.
No more just the tree.
That house is beautiful. See, I so good.
Winter though.
This
Oh,
I
look
think
at those cow, horse. There's a cloak
This is where
for summer.
it's not bad here.
What's that tree look like?
That's why it's expensive. Look, see? Oh my gosh.
Tree?
Yeah, it doesn't fall off. It says secret.
See, I like this. Look at that.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh.
beautiful.
Beautiful
Oh my
fence.
gosh. I like that fence. Oh. We're gonna go down in a minute.
Yeah, we're here.
Saucier Road. Oh, this is a saucier road. Wait. dapat bigyan. Wait, I think we went to a different one before, but it's okay.
Hindi ba dito?
Hindi ito yung pinuntahan natin dati.
So magpapark ako? Diretso pa?
Ha? Hindi, sige lang.
Sige, dito.
Yeah, because you're not here.
No, they're here. They're next to us. Oh, di ba?
Ayan. Ayan. Ayan.
30 minutes, ito lang yung nakita nyo.
Yeah? Is it good? Is it good? My mom's sorry.
Tara, unless okay na kayo dito.
Pero to,
Unless okay na kayo natin, ha?
Ah, sige. Mas maganda eh.
Tara.
A few moments later.
More money. And $40 for a jar. Oh, this is Meta Vista.
Oh, where's the parking? Di ba dito? Pwede dito. Exit ba yan? Let's try.
Ayun lang eh. Iba dito, be.
Okay.
No. Let's turn around over there.
Okay, I'll just gonna go park.
Oh, there. But it's for sale right there. Yeah.
Yeah, we can park here.
Ang layo na natin.
Pwede naman kayo pumasok sa loob dyan, meron naman. Oh, pwede kayo sa loob pumasok, pasok na lang kayo sa loob.
Asan na yung tali?
Tara sila. Tara, mama here. Let's go here.
Parang nasa-serve yata sila ng lunch yan.
Meron siguro.
Anong ano siya? Hi.
Let's stay here, mama. Hintayin ko na lang kayo dito. Baka bawal si Mochi eh.
Kaya wala na yung beef na kilda. Wala na sa
Stay here. Stay here. Oh, how much?
Same as that other.
Oh, okay. Not. That's good, yeah.
It's not bad.
It's good, yeah.
Looks good.
I'll put you here for now, Mama. I'll go inside for a second.
Lulubog yan dyan, di ba?
May cash kami dala, hindi lang na din. Oo. Thank you, Jai. Ano na?
Parang oval.
Everybody's tasted already.
Okay ka na, B? Okay ka na, Joy?
Wala kang, ayun mo ng honey mix?
Hindi. Ikaw lang ang honey ko. Wait.
No, he said there's different flowers. Same leaves, different flowers. And they got darker.
Yeah. The other one, they go for pepper flowers. Probably.
Thank you. Kung mag-swimming ka, there's food truck, so I'll
Where? Oh, no. Where?
Yeah, there actually is.
Really?
Yeah, 12 to 8. Bukas pa bang para sailing?
Yeah, they open
Yeah, we're due.
until evening.
Tomorrow.
Also tomorrow also. But it's good weather today because it's not cloudy, so you can enjoy it. Even jet ski if you want to go for jet ski.
1, 2, 3.
Apple? No, never mind. I thought it's not apple.
Maganda ba? Which one did you want? Banana?
Bellini.
Like a seltzer?
Maybe, lang ako.
So magla-lunch muna o diretso tayo doon sa beach?
Lunch.
Saan tayo magla-lunch?
Sa car.
Oh, dala niyo yung pagkain. Okay. That's good. Anong dinala niyo yung pagkain doon sa car?
The Costco one, James bought.
Oh, okay.
What did you buy? And then there's
Oh, yeah.
Chicken. Bumili ka ng chicken. Bumili ka ng chicken.
Oh, we should have roasted chicken.
yeah, we should have it.
Yeah, we should have those roasted chicken. Yeah.
I forgot about it.
Yeah, roasted chicken is better.
Yeah, just peel it.
So yeah, eat it.
Why
Chunk
did
it.
you do that?
That's fine.
Sa Costco. Rolls, like sushi rolls, Caesar salad, and then
You hold it, Olivia.
salad things like summer salad.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Here.
Yeah, let's go. I can't sit here.
Will we have pork too?
We'll pick with your hands.
Wait for
What about the salad? How can we?
I don't know, man.
good.
May mga ano naman dun eh.
Let's go to the lake. Oh, I'm holding na. Thank you, Olivia. Come on here, Mama. Watch it.
Wait, are they not going to the lake so fast? They don't go.
Ano ba yun?
Mhm.
Kelowna City Park.
Ang alin? Anong Kelowna City Park? Kami, mama.
A few moments later.
You don't have water. Oo.
One big bite. One big good bite.
Hmm.
Open this.
What?
Fit.
Akin yung page.
Share na tayo.
Hmm.
Oh my God.
No. No barking.
Next time we go for, ano,
Quiet.
yung bibigat, yun na yan. Malapit din sa international. Ay, sa Midapor? Ah, okay. Ang mahal kasi doon. No? Okay.
Ito, Machi.
Ayan, nangunguha siya.
Hello, you're collecting this? Okay. Okay. You're welcome. I have some already here that it's overflows here. There you go. There you go. Thanks, that's good. Alright, thanks so much. Have a good day. Saan tayo?
Labay ka.
A few moments later.
Oh, I'll take a picture of you guys.
Swimming pwede.
Ah, picture muna kayo.
Pwede ba? Kuya Jason will meet you on the slide.
Oh, let's go. You like it, Olivia? Have fun? You like it? Good? You don't wanna go there? You go there?
No, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Okay. Huh? Go. Yeah, go. That's fun, you like it?
Mom, stay there. I want to swim to you.
Okay, go. That's fun. You like it? Good, bro. Tita Len? Who? Where? Where? Hey. Saw the poop. Saw the poop. Come on.
Tita, let's go.
Yo, Tita. To join us. Come on. It's fun. Come on. Oh, Tita sleeping. Oh. Mochi.
Mamusta kayo?
Hindi pa, maliligo daw. Niyaya kayo.
You join us.
Join us.
Love you. Stay there. Stay there, Mama.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, bro.
I'm gonna go this slide.
Okay, go. Ready? Go.
Hurry, have fun.
Yeah, go. Good. Last one.
Ayaw nila sayang naman.
Ha? Diyan lang matulog eh. Baka swimming pool na lang. Swimming sila.
Ha?
Swimming pool na lang. Go.
Three? Mom, watch. I'm gonna do feet first. 3, 2, 1.
Gustahin mo. Hindi. Okat ako.
Basayang tuwalya.
Dahil time na.
Ano hanap mo?
Tubig daw. Nakawa ko kanina.
Ano niya guys?
Okay. Dahan dyan. Bad.
Malamig ba? Oh, malamig ba?
Ito ang pistachio? Ano ba? Pati nga. Ah. Jesus. Hindi mo yung pagkain. O, tama, hindi mo kinain. Sabi ko, hindi mo ito pagkain.
Ba't anong pinakain ba?
Nalaglag yung chip, minuya. Tapos nung natikman na hindi masarap, niluwa ulit. Yung bacon niya, nandito sa ulo mo.
No.
Ano yung bacon?
Ano? Ay, wala kasama mo.
Ayun, may kwan doon. Bago sa inyo. Shhh. Quiet.
Pero kung hindi kami water bottle na yung
Ate, yung glasses ni Eunice. Ay, ni Olivia.
Wow.
Can you bring me one? In the green bag.
May tug-tug-tug sa mga boat na yun.
Naman, din na kayong speaker mo sana, no? Mga gayaan mo din sila.
Ay, ito pala yun. Okay nga.
Mom, what do you want?
May water bottle. Ha?
Problem.
Oy,
Yung natutin ko na.
ako na.
Yung pink. Hindi. Mayroon ko dyan yung tumbler ko, tumbler.
Ay, tumbler.
Pink. Yan, salamat.
Hindi naman pink yan, oh.
It's cold.
Ano pa? Ngayon ba? Tingnan ko nga kung magiging sushi ng kotse.
Look.
Na. Bakit?
Gam?
Na. Ayun na po ano? Paano mo? Sa likod mo?
There's orange,
Ito ba sa'yo?
popcorn.
Yung hinira ko.
Eh, ito kayo to. Akin to.
Ayun.
Kasi, ay, akin ba to? Hindi ata sa akin yan.
Hindi ako nagsira.
Lahat ng mga may sira. Yung may sira sa akin.
Olivia, penge!
Ah, dito. Ano gusto mo?
Day not niya tagad ko. Ito yung...
No.
Olivia! Penge!
She said penge. She said, can I have some?
Alam niya, she knows it, right?
A few moments later.
Kasi sa mong apoy.
Wala na. Sabi ni ate, meron daw. Wala na. Tumigil na.
Hindi mawawala dyan. Lagi yan dyan.
Anong ginagawa nila ba?
Eh,
Ayan, dyan ka daw sa harap. Sabi ni
Pag lumapit ka dyan, magbibigay ka ng pera.
Tapos na siya. Kasi nagbibigayan yung mga yan eh.
Ay, naiwan ko yung bacon. Nadala ba yung bacon niya?
Kapusog naman siya.
Bagay.
tapos na.
Kasi nag-ano na oh. Siya naman ang papalit. Magic. Magic.
Oh. Anong magic? Dolby mo. Daming tao. Kapag ganun, gabi. Ayun, nakit ng mga aso.
You're not hungry, Olivia? You're sleepy?
So they can spend money. Unless you're full.
Ano daw? Okay lang siya? Di ba may ganyan sa Japan?
Parang ayoko na masukay.
Bakit?
Sa ganyan, parang kawawa naman.
Talaga?
Bibigyan ko lang ako. Tumigil eh, baka naiihipa.
Okay.
Asan ang BM mo?
Doon daw.
Ayun. Yung ba yung BM mo?
Mm-hmm. Naiihiyan mo lang.
Mainit?
Wala, hindi ka nagdala ng jacket. Saan? Shh, watch it. Quiet. Oh. Shh, no barking. Akin, nahawakan ko siya. Sure ka? Tapos na. Sa bahay. Oo.
Sa bahay.
Oo.
Sige lang.
Fresh na fresh kayo ah. Ang sarap nila.
Then nighttime kami, nightlife. Sige, kain lang kayo dyan.
Kaya pumasok sila doon.
Wala, dito lang. Oo, mag-ano lang kami.
Mga ano eh.
Hindi. Mag-walking lang, gusto lang nila makita yung nightlife eh.
Kabila yung ano. Galing na kayo doon? Hindi pa. Oo. Kain tayo.
Sige, kain muna kayo. Later. Enjoy your meal. Saan tayo, baby? Ah, sila, Micah.
Antayin lang natin sila pagkakain.
Nasaan sila?
Ha?
Nasaan sila?
Oo.
Bait lang. Haluin mo pa dapa.
Ha?
Haluin mo pa.
Oo.
Ano yan? May pistachio?
Oo. Pistachio, Sicilian kiss.
Oh.
And then vanilla. And then matcha. Matcha affogato siya. And then... Pero kahit matcha affogato lang, masarap na eh, no?
Ano ba yan?
Yun, gusto mo ba? Bilihan kita?
Magkano yan?
10. It's good. Babayaran ko lang sa Jaya, baka makalimutan ko.
I-transfer ka na.
Hindi, may cash ako.
Ah, cash? Kaya tama, 10, 20.
20.
Pagkatapos na lang nila. Makain pa eh.
Oh, it's so good, baby.
Yeah. Akala ko magkakape ka.
Ka na yun.
Ayun na ba yun? Ayos ko na kape.
Yeah. Yun ang dessert natin. Avocado.
Ay, oo. Naalala ko na. Dessert na ice cream. May espresso shot.
So, coffee ng green tea, coffee ng doppio espresso.
Ah,
Double espresso.
may green tea din siya.
Yung matcha.
Sarap.
Ewan ko saan ba kayo pupunta? Parang, antayin na lang namin kayo dito.
Baka titingin daw sila ng foods.
Ng food? Hindi, yung ano niya ata.
Yung pang, dessert. Magkano bayad sa ganon? Baka 20 na. O 30.
Pinaya na yun sa nagre-rickshaw sa bar.
Ah, ganun ba yun? Ano, Eunice? Gusto mo sumakay? Yun sa kanina? Ayan o. Ready na. Gusto ni Eunice. Gusto ni Eunice daw.
No!
Magkano? Lilibre na kita. 5 lang. Oh, ayun o. Ayun o, dali.
Nagpapali-pali. Ikaw yata may gusto.
Mabibidyohan nga kita eh. Dali.
Sana, basta okay lang. Partihan yan. Party! Oh, sali ka!
Yeah.
Ibanin natin si Eunice. Balikan na lang natin. Di ka naman naka-glitters.
Dapat diba gano'n? Yung mas sparkling, ang tamis.
Ayun na.
Ayan na. Pasok na.
Namin sa Eunice. Pumarty ka na.
Kasi pwede maglakad na kanya. Ngayon yung workout nila, bakit nila. O ba't sila pumunta dun sa ilalim ng tubig?
Pwede naman. Oo.
Mag-make out siya.
Ano yan?
Mag-make up. Mag-make up.
Make out lang. Oh, may nakalagay na Kelowna.
Oh, yun o, dun o. Wow, Kelowna. Oh, dali.
Ayun na Kelowna. Akala ko ang Kelowna visit.
Oh, ready. 1.
Ayoko, ang pangit ng...
Oh, ready. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Ganito naman. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. O, tapos nagpipila. Makakakta kami. Oo, kayong dalawa. 2, 3, go! Okay na! Tapos na!
Laki ng aso niya, oh. Kita mo.
Ha?
Laki ng aso niya. Na.
Ito ako. Pagka. Ito ang munisipyo ng Santa Rosa. Ito ang Luneta pala. Pwede kang makaano, kung papasok ka ba tapos maraming mga linya-linya tapos papasok ba? Makikita ka, parang ganun. Iniba na.
Wala na.
Tapos dati ito, Mexican, ano yung cactus club lang. Anong Mexican kanina, may pero nawala na yung hutong. Mochi, kanina ka pa amoy ng amoy. Tingnan na lang.
Territorial pa rin siya eh.
Ako pa, ano, hutong.
Nagugutom ka na. Kumain ka na sa bahay. O, bumili ka dito ng pagkain gusto mo.
Gusto lang niya magtipid. Ganda nung meron ng iba. Kanina may matgawa maganda. Ha? Ayun lang. Ayaw. Tired na yan. Kasi ito araw nag-lake eh.
Naligo na naligo.
Sa bouncy ano?
Ganito ang nightlife nila dito.
Ganyan ang mga isuot na ng mga.
Kasi mga inuman yan eh. Good for night.
Let's do whatever you want to do. Wow.
O, yan. Skateboard ka dyan. Ay, papapicture din. Ayan o. Come on. Dito kayo. Na.
Joby, snack, Popo. Okay, na natin itong bag na to.
Ano pala na yung bag?
Yung bag na yun.
Bakit? Anong bag?
Ito.
Bakit? Ah. Hindi, magdala na ng extra. Lagyan na sa bag. Para ano?
Para bukas.
Yeah.
Wala kang basurahan.
What?
Wala kang basurahan. Pinuputong.
Eh, kasi doon yung maamoy eh. Ah. Nag. Kami nakita. No, don't go there, Momo.
Mochi. Huh?
Don't go there in the garbage bin, Momo. It's not nice. Come on, Mama. Yeah, it is. Half Pomeranian, half Chihuahua.
What, Chihuahua?
Half Pomeranian, half Chihuahua. Yeah. Pomchi.
Pomchi, that's what it's called. Pomchi.
Yeah.
Friendly?
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
She's friendly.
Chilling right now. I got a big dog, man. I got a big dog at home.
Oh yeah, big one.
American Akita,
Oh wow, that's cute.
110 pounds.
Oh wow, that's gonna be heavy. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
very hard.
Every day he needs to.
I have, farmland, so
Oh, that's nice.
5 acres. And
Yeah, that's good.
he doesn't like going for walks. He just
Yeah.
like let me loose in the farm.
Yeah, that's nice. Much better.
Hard to wash him. Very hard to wash.
Oh
He
yeah,
has
that's
a double. He has a
fur.
double. He has a waterproof coat,
yeah.
so you can rinse him, but it doesn't do anything.
Wow. Yeah. Need more time for that to wash, eh?
It took 3 of us to wash him last time.
Oh my.
3 guys to wash
Wow.
one dog.
That's a lot of work.
Literally.
After you wash them, you have to wash twice. You have
Yeah.
to clean twice.
Wow. That's a lot of work. And then how many times does that need to be washed?
Once a month.
Once a month.
Just
Wow.
once a month,
Okay.
But during the winter time, no.
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah.
During the winter time, very hard.
No, yeah. Much better they keep like that way.
But during the summer, he stays in the AC room.
Oh, that's cool.
He can't handle the heat, right?
Yeah.
He has so much fur,
Yeah.
and otherwise they overheat.
That's true. That's true. All right, have a great night, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah.
Salamat.
Yeah, salamat. Have a good night.
You guys speak Tagalog, correct?
Yeah, Tagalog. Yep. Gandang gabi.
All I know is salamat
Yeah. You're welcome.
and I know a couple of numbers.
Ay, like dalawa.
Dalawa, tatlo.
Tatlo and apat.
Yeah.
Right? That's what I know.
Yeah, that's cool.
Have a good night.
Yeah, have a great night. Yeah, you as well. Sila, Micah na. Ang ganda ng bay, no? Tahimik. Ayun. Doon sila. Alright, tapos na ating nightlife dito sa Kelowna. Uwi na tayo sa ating hotel. Yun na yung nightlife natin. Naglakad lang tayo kasi madami naman tayong nalakad. Pero nag-ice cream na rin tayo.
Masarap yun.
Then, malamok. Pero masarap. At least na-enjoy natin ang ating day dito sa Kelowna. Especially dito sa, ano pangalan nito? Park? Park.
Kelowna City Park.
Kelowna City Park. Yan. Okay, so Mochi, let's go na. Tama na yung amoy. Okay, see you guys in a bit.